Hello mga ka-PhilStocks! Japet here! Para saan nga ba ang trade toolbar ng ating one screen do-it-all? Halika! Tuturuan ko kayo! Our trade toolbar consists of different features that are either essential or useful for our trading. Una na dyan is yung ating launchers, which consists of features including the ticker, the shortcut for buying and selling, watch pack, chart, market depth, trading calculator, and projected price. Clicking on these features will open up separate windows for them. This will allow you to design your own screen. Next is the portfolio, kung saan makikita natin yung stocks na nabili natin at yung performance nila mula nang nabili natin sila. Makikita rin natin dito if all of our stock investments, when combined, are giving us gains or losses. Sunod naman dito ay ang ating conditional order. Dito, we can set our buying and selling orders that would be triggered by our determined conditions, giving us flexibility in our trades. Syempre, nasa trade toolbar din ang ating normal options for buying and selling. Then we have the request tab where we can make requests relevant to our stock market journey, including but not limited to funding, certification, cash outs, and even subscription to offerings. Finally, we have the order tab kung saan makikita natin yung status ng mga stock orders natin in the market. Nag-push through na ba sila? Nakapila pa rin? Waiting for conditions to be met in the case of conditional orders? Pending, cancelled, or rejected? At yan ang ating trade toolbar in our platform for our trades. Watch our tutorials for more details and guides on our PhilStocks platform features.